in case. We got the windshield fluid, and finally they have the reservoir. Finally, the overflow tank. So this is what I'm gonna do today. Damaged now from the side, and it's damaged over here. There's no leak in it or anything, but just gonna replace it. So an update: the radiator coolant overflow reservoir is actually I received a damaged one. See, everything looks perfect. I just looked over here when I compared it to the other one. This can focus. You can see, yeah, right here, it's damaged. I was like, wait a second, there's supposed to be a hose coming out of here that's shaped like an L. Let me show you on the old one, and it's missing from here. This is the one that I ordered. So this is what's missing, basically. Yeah, this is what's missing. This piece. So if we compare them. This is the new one. This is the old one. This one's missing. It's broke. When I looked at it, I was like, wait a second, something is wrong. And it seems they didn't know there is a hose at the bottom when they pulled it out, maybe. I don't know what happened. I'm just having this theory. So I'm gonna put this back here. Put it back here. And it's Friday evening, so I know they're closed, and they close on weekends, so I have to call them Monday morning and try to return that reservoir. So here I have coolant tank overflow. So I have this piece damaged. It goes this way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue it, and then I have my soldering right here, soldering. So I'm gonna weld it, soldering. So I'm basically just gonna glue it and then put some solder it over here, just to have more strength in it to hold. It won't crack again when I screw it. So now, see, it's in place. It's stuck now, so I can work freely. So I get the zip ties and just add more plastic to the crack so it can hold both pieces together. As you can see, now it's in place. I'll go to the other side. on this side. And I can show you how strong it is right now. See, I'm gonna lift it. See, let me show you. Look at this. See? That's how strong it is. All right. Now, last but not least is this piece over here. As you can see, this missing piece, it's inside here. I need to get it out first. All right, let's try to get it out. I have the heater on. I'm just gonna heat up the tube a little bit so it can expand and get this broken piece from it. Get the cutter out and squeeze it in here and pull it out. Yeah, like this. Okay, so as you can see, so after heating up the tube a little bit, it expands and I managed to get the broken piece out a little bit. Now, what do you do? Okay, let me turn this off. Just hold it. Don't squeeze hard. Don't squeeze hard, you might break it, so just a little bit. And pull it out. It's out. Now let's go glue it and work the magic. Hey guys, I'm done with the coolant overflow tank. I welded it, the broken pieces, no holes in it. I just tested it. I filled it with water and no leaks at all. I'm just gonna install them in the car now. Okay. Excuse me. This goes right here. It comes over here. And this is good. And connect the bottom. Good. All right. I got my coolant 50-50. I tried to see if there's any cracks in the hoses, but I couldn't find any, so I'm good so far. And but I can't tell right now until I fill it up, and we'll go down under the car to see if there's any leaks. This is it. Here's a piece. This way.